Hey beauties, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing video for Babylist. And Babylist is actually a website I found online where you're able to create a baby registry. You can use several different stores like Amazon, as well as Target, Walmart. It's a lot of different stores. It has like most of the stores that you can create a baby registry. And so if you add, I think 10 items or 5 items to your registry, then you qualify to receive a Babylist box. So I'm just going to be unboxing that for you guys. So if you want to see me unboxing it, then make sure you stick around for the whole video. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading videos. See you guys in a minute. So I got my box. Let me show you guys what it... That's cute. It's got a sticker on there that says hello baby. And then it says, parenthood is a trip. We're thrilled to take the ride with you. That's cute. It comes with a 2019 baby registry guide, which is pretty cool. And it says it has like a congratulations letter and some pictures. And it tells you about how to build your registry. It's got different things you can add, wraps, and it's got different categories: nursing, diapering, bath and health. This seems pretty interesting. This will be a great help for me. Because I'm in the process of creating my baby registries. I've got 2 set up so far, but I think I want to do 4 in total. And it seems like a lot of stuff you have to get for babies, so I'm trying to figure everything out. So it says special coupons for our special moms, and it's got a, what is this? Nano BB. It looks like, I think these are like milk storage bags, I want to say. Kind of hard to see, but I think these are milk storage bags that you can use to put your breast milk in. And it's also got a little pacifier on the back. That's kind of cool. They also sent me a bib. The bib is from, I don't know, I don't feel like opening it, but it's some sort of red bib. They came in here. And I got this box for free. I didn't have to pay anything for shipping or anything like that. All I had to do was create a baby list online and add stuff to the registry. It's got a Carter's onesie in white, which it's nice to have stuff in white because white is unisex. It's 3 months. So that's what that looks like. Breastfeeding samples. It's got 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. I plan to breastfeed, so those will come in handy. Got a sample of Noodle and Boo. Never heard of that brand. But newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash. And the super soft lotion. So a lot of samples. It's got a baby K10 Packy pouch. I don't even know what that is, but it's some sort of pouch. I don't know what you put in it, but got that. Latch on tips. That's kind of cool. It tells you about the best ways to latch with breastfeeding, and it's got some little tips and pointers. I will need that. And it's also got some lanolin, which is can be used as a nipple cream. And it's got a coupon for $1 off nipple cream. I'm sure I'll probably need that too. So also another storage bag from Even Flow, advanced breast milk storage bags, 2 packs. Pampers Swaddlers. Dropping everything today. So it's got a couple diapers and it's a little cute little bag. Water wipes. It's got a free coupon on the back, $1 off water wipes, and it's a sample of the water wipes as well. And it's a, what is this? Oh, I guess you can make baby books, like photo album books from this company called Milestone. I will hold on to that. Couple of cards left in here. Meet Nanit Plus, the monitor that helps your baby sleep like a baby. Got a promo code for $20 off, so it's some sort of baby monitor. Gonna have to look into that. Then Tea, welcome to the world of Tea, a $25 gift for you. Tea is a clothing company. They have some pictures of clothing on there. $25 off. And Instacart, new baby we can help, $20 off your Instacart order. Alright, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see any more videos on this pregnancy journey, because I plan to register for some other stores so I can do other additional unboxings from the other stores, just to show you guys what you receive when you register, what, you know, gift bag or box or whatever that you get, as far as the samples. And if you guys are interested in anything else as far as things I'm picking up, like baby hauls, or any like maternity clothes that I'm getting or anything, just let me know down in the description box. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you know when I'm putting new videos up. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Smooches.